It's another beautiful day on Oahu, and today we're heading out to explore more of the island's incredible landscapes and waterscapes. This time, we're venturing inland in search of lush gardens, rich history, and one of Oahu's most well-known waterfalls. Join the CRLM Travels as we journey to Waimea Valley, home to vibrant botanical gardens and the scenic trail leading to Waimea Falls. As we arrive and make our way into the valley, the scenery quickly shifts. There's towering trees, tropical blooms, and winding pathways that guide us through one of the most diverse botanical collections in Hawaii.
Look at them. Whoa!
He said, stay away from my baby. Candelita. It's the adolescent girl.
What is that?
It's the husband in his natural environment.
Look up there.
Oh my God.
There's a little trail that goes here, but it gets really overgrown. I don't know how high you can take it up.
Oh, I'm gonna go up there.
I just didn't bring sneakers. I was like, that's beautiful.
Oh my God. Can you take a picture?
Oh yeah.
I'll try to go out. Can you take my glasses?
Waimea Valley features more than 50 plant collections spread across 60 themed gardens, showcasing over 3,000 species from tropical and subtropical regions from around the world. Among them are more than 120 native Hawaiian plants and hundreds of rare and endangered species. That makes this valley not only beautiful, but more deeply important to conservation efforts. Beyond the gardens, the valley offers opportunities for one to slow down and observe wildlife, explore cultural sites, and take in the surroundings.
Deep in thought, Lila.
The paved trail to the falls is about 3/4 of a mile. It's an easy, gradual walk suitable for most visitors. For those who prefer assistance, there's shuttle transportation.
Yeah.
Wait.
And then I rescued it. It was me. Done if you didn't have one.
At the end of the trail, Waimea Falls comes into view, a peaceful cascade surrounded by dense greenery. Swimming is permitted with provided life jackets, and I would recommend bringing water shoes, as entry involves navigating rocks and small boulders.
I'm gonna go all the way on board. Why did they give me this way?
It's fun. Keep you safe.
I'm being choked. I'm being strangled. I can't
You don't have to swim.
I'm what?
It'd be tough for Max to get in there.
No, he wouldn't be able to do it.
That was a little hard to get in that spot there.
Yeah. It might be a little bit easier like over there for a
I'm
kid,
being
but...
choked.
No, put your hands up. Well, put your hands right here on the inside collar.
I should have brought water shoes. I hurt my feet getting in. Oh.
After taking time in the water and enjoying the tranquil setting, it's clear this experience is about more than just a waterfall. It's about taking your time, appreciating the landscape, and connecting with a different side of Oahu. If you enjoy discovering destinations beyond the typical tourist stops, consider subscribing and joining us for more thoughtful adventures with the CRLM Travels.